Hi, this is Dr. Rajeshwar from YR PharmaTube. In the previous videos, we studied the structure, synthesis, chemical reactions, and medicinal uses of naphthalene and anthracene. The links are given in the description below this video. Watch them. In this lesson, I would like to explain the structure and synthesis of phenanthrene. After this lesson, you should understand the structure, which includes the nomenclature and chemistry, and the synthesis of phenanthrene. Phenanthrene is a polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon composed of three fused benzene rings, and its name has come from two terms, namely phenyl and anthracene. Thus, it is also known as a phenyl-anthracene or an isomer of anthracene. Unlike to anthracene, the three benzene rings in phenanthrene are fused to each other in an angular form. Structurally, it is an orthofused tricyclic hydrocarbon. Thus, it is more stable than its linear isomer, that is anthracene, because of the stabilizing hydrogen-hydrogen bonds between the C4 and C5 hydrogen atoms. It has molecular formula C14H10 and is obtained from the green oil fraction of coal tar distillation. The accepted numbering system for phenanthrene is as shown in the structure. The 1 and 2 positions of the phenanthrene ring sometimes are designated as alpha and beta, but we prefer not to use these designations. Unlike anthracene, phenanthrene is an angular structure, but like anthracene, it is a planar molecule. As the number of fused aromatic rings increases, the resonance energy per ring continues to decrease and the compounds become more reactive. Phenanthrene has resonance energy of 91 kilocalories per mole or about 30 kilocalories per aromatic ring. It has 14 pi electrons in its 3 aromatic rings compared with 18 electrons for 3 separate benzene rings and is found to be aromatic in nature. Thus, all 14 carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. The sp2 orbitals overlap with each other and with s orbital of 10 hydrogen atoms to form carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen sigma bonds. Each carbon atom also possesses a p orbital and these are perpendicular to the plane containing the sigma bonds. The lateral overlap of these p orbitals produces a pi molecular orbital containing 10 electrons. Phenanthrene shows aromatic properties because the resulting pi molecular orbital satisfies the Haeckel rule where n is equal to 3 in 4n plus 2. The phenanthrene has a substantial resonance stabilization as shown in the picture. One of the 5 contributing structures has 3 fused benzene ring moieties. 2 of the structures have a benzene ring fused to a 10 pi electron aniline and the remaining 2 are 14 pi electron anilines, which are aromatic by the Haeckel rule. An examination of each contributing structure discloses that the C9 to C10 bond has 80% double bond character, whereas the opposite bond across the ring, the carbons that are not numbered, has 80% single bond character. Other carbon-carbon bonds have varying bond order as reflected in the bond lengths shown on the right-hand structure. As expected, the C9-C10 bond exhibits double bond-like addition reactions including facile catalytic hydrogen addition. Indeed, all the aromatic fused ring compounds shown here undergo both radical and polar addition reactions more readily than does benzene. Synthesis of phenanthrene. Phenanthrene may be synthesized by several routes, some of which are number 1 Haworth's synthesis, number 2 Bardhan-Sengupta method, number 3 Score reaction, number 4 oxidative coupling of aromatic compounds, number 5 Burgert-Cook synthesis, number 6 Passing-Stilbene, number 7 from 2,2-dimethyl diphenyl, number 8 from benzyl and number 9 from orthobromobenzyl bromide. Synthesis of phenanthrene by ring closure or Haworth's synthesis. This method involves 5 steps. The first step, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, in which naphthalene reacts with succinic anhydride in the presence of aluminum chloride, results in the formation of 3,1-naphthyl propanoic acid. The second step is the Clemmensen reduction reaction that reduces 3,1-naphthyl propanoic acid to 4,1-naphthyl butanoic acid, in which the carbonyl group is reduced to CH2. In step 3, 3,1-naphthyl butanoic acid undergoes cyclization at the second position of naphthalene to give a cyclic ketone. This ketone on Clemmensen reduction followed by dehydrogenation with selenium or palladium carbon as a catalyst results in the formation of phenanthrene in steps 4 and 5. Bardhan-Sengupta method. This synthesis is a classic way to make phenanthrenes. This process involves electrophilic aromatic substitution using a tethered cyclohexanol group using diphosphorus pentoxide, which closes the central ring onto an existing aromatic ring. Dehydrogenation using selenium converts the other rings into aromatic ones as well. The aromatization of 6-membered rings by selenium is not clearly understood, but it does produce hydrogen selenium. Phenanthrene can also be obtained photochemically from certain diaryl ethenes. This Carr reaction, a convenient synthesis of phenanthrene consisting of reacting orthonitrobenzaldehyde with phenyl acetic acid in the presence of acetic anhydride, forms a nitro derivative, that is alpha-phenyl orthonitrocinemic acid. This reaction is known as Perkin reaction. This compound, upon reduction, the nitro group is converted to an amino group, diazotized to form a diazonium salt, then treating this diazonium salt with copper powder, and finally on decarboxylation to produce phenanthrene. This procedure, originally applied to the synthesis of phenanthrene and its derivatives, it has been extended to forming other aromatic systems, for example, fluorinone. Oxidative coupling of aromatic compounds. Although the irradiation of cis or trans stilbene in the absence of oxygen gives a mixture of the two, in the presence of oxygen, phenanthrene is formed. It has been inferred that cis stilbene photocyclizes reversibly to give a small proportion of dihydrophenanthrene, which in the presence of oxygen is oxidized irreversibly to phenanthrene. Bogart-Cook synthesis. The phenanthrene and its derivatives by this method makes use of intramolecular alkylation by an alkene. From stilbene. When stilbene is passed through a red-hot tube, phenanthrene is formed, but the yields are poor in this method of preparation. From 2,2-dimethyl diphenyl. Phenanthrene is obtained by the cyclodehydrogenation of 2,2-dimethyl diphenyl on reaction with sulfur. From benzyl. By treating benzyl with aluminum chloride at 120 degrees centigrade forms phenanthraquinone. This, upon heating with zinc dust, produces phenanthrene. From orthobromobenzyl bromide. When two molecules of orthobromobenzyl bromide reacts with sodium, produces 9,10-dihydrophenanthrene. This, upon oxidation, forms phenanthrene. Many other methods are also possible for the synthesis of phenanthrene. By starting with naphthalene, phenanthrene and some of its derivatives may be obtained. By using phthalic anhydride, two new aromatic rings may be built on, as in the synthesis of 1,2-benzanthracene. In the first step, naphthalene reacts with phthalic anhydride in the presence of aluminum chloride catalyst to form a carboxylate derivative. This cyclizes to a quinone by means of either an acid chloride with aluminum trichloride or by treating the acid itself with liquid hydrogen fluoride, concentrated sulfuric acid or polyphosphoric acid. Sulfuric acid is the least satisfactory reagent since it can lead to sulfonated byproducts. Properties of phenanthrene. Phenanthrene appears as a colorless crystalline solid and look yellow in color. It has melting point 101 degrees centigrade. It is insoluble in water but dissolves readily in ethanol, benzene and ether. Its solution in benzene shows blue fluorescence. This is the list of references followed for this lecture. That's all in this video, structure and synthesis of phenanthrene. In the next video, we learn chemical reactions and medicinal uses of phenanthrene. Till then, never stop learning and never stop watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video.